Welcome back. When your application crashes in production, a simple error message like "File not found" may be not enough. You need the full story, the traceback, which tells you exactly where and why the code failed. Today, we will learn how to configure the logger to capture this vital debugging information automatically. 1. The problem: missing context. If we use a standard logging.error call inside an except block, it only logs the text string we provide. The crucial information, the stack trace showing that line 4 caused a 0 division error, is completely lost. This makes debugging difficult. 2. Solution 1. Using exe_info equals true. To include the traceback, we add the argument exe_info equals true to our logging call. Now, the logger automatically looks up the current exception information and appends the full stack trace to the log message. 3. Solution 2. Using logging.exception. Python provides a shortcut method specifically for this purpose, logging.exception. This method logs a message with the level error and automatically sets exe_info to true. It is the preferred, cleaner way to log errors inside an exception handler. To summarize, always capture tracebacks when logging errors. It turns a mysterious failure into an obvious fix. We have learned exception handling and logging. The final tool in our robustness toolkit is Assertions, a powerful way to perform sanity checks during development. Our next lecture 22.11, Using Assertions. See you there.